Hello everyone, my name is Johan. I am 7 years old. I am from Kids Speaking Kajang and Semenyih. Today I am at Negara. Yeah! Negara is home to 5,000 animals. It is open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Today I will be speaking about 3 animals. The first animal will be the camels. Camels love to eat plants. They can live up to 50 years. Camels are normally found in Africa. Camels can drink up to 100 liters of water in 10 minutes. Amazing, right? The second animal will be the white rhino. White rhino loves to eat grass. They can live up to 50 years. White rhinos are normally found in Africa. White rhinos are hunted because they are hot. Please stop! Don't do that! Save the rhino! The third animal will be the giraffe. Giraffes love to eat leaves. They can live up to 25 years. Giraffes are normally found in Africa. Giraffes are very active. They sleep only 4 hours per day. Besides these 3 animals, we have many other more animals come with the Negara. Thank you.
Your voice